we're here in Florida for 4 days and 3 nights. Tama ba? 4 days and 3 nights. And so kahapon din na kami nakapag-video kasi nga masyadong hectic ang schedule at maulan. And today we're going to Universal Studios Islands of Adventure. Kung tama man ako. So nandun na sina Ate Ella, mga bata, si Glenn. Yeah, so kami ay papunta pa lang. It's currently 8:34 and maulan. So dyan kami nag-Airbnb. This is different from yung previous Airbnb namin, and it's 30 minutes away from Universal, unlike dun sa isa na medyo malapit. But anyway, so join us today. Right, honey? So, nandito na kami sa Universal at maulan talaga. Ang hirap. Pero,
wet and wild.
tuloy ang higaya. Tuloy lang.
Ang ano natin, poncho.
So, karamihan ay naka-raincoats. Siyempre kami, naiwan namin. Kaya, papasok na kami sa loob ng Islands of Adventure para i-meet sila Ate Ella. And then, ayun. See you! Guys, so, dun yung Islands of Adventure. Dun naman yung Universal Studios. Yan. So, nakapunta na kami doon last year. Nandun yung Universal na globe. Tapos, dito tayo ngayon. Yan. So, pasok tayo. What can you say?
Weather sucks.
It sucks. It's okay. 90-10 principle. Let's just enjoy the moment. Sa Rain of Kong. So hard, guys. Sayang kasi ang mahal ng ticket tapos umuulan, pero you know, you can predict the weather at some point, so enjoy na lang. So, nakatapos na kami sa Reign of Kong. And now, nandito na kami sa Harry Potter. We're probably be leaving early just because it's really raining so hard. So, we're just gonna, again, go back to the hotel. But I wanna show you Harry Potter. So, I guess, nanalo ang weather. Ang hirap talaga. We try our best na mag-enjoy, pero sobrang hirap. Sila Ate Ella, sila Tatay, umuwi na rin sila. And it's only lunchtime, and we're kinda soaked. So, we need to drop by to get some clothes and maligo, and we don't know what's gonna be the plan, but yeah, we'll just try to make up para ngayon for bukas, kasi talagang ang hirap. Halos madaming umuwi kasi ang hirap sumakay, and ang dami ding close, yung ibang rides delayed. So nung binook namin yung ticket, honey, can you open the trunk? Nung binook namin yung ticket, hindi pa talaga siya uulan. Pero ang hirap talagang i-predict yung weather, Florida weather especially. So, alam mo yung mainit na malamig, ganun yung pakiramdam, pero malagkit kasi nga umuulan. So, hopefully, we're praying na sana tomorrow papunta namin sa Disney, hindi na siya maulan. Yung sapatos na Remar sobrang basa na. So, we're gonna try to maghanap ng laundromat kung hindi papayag yung Airbnb namin. So, ayun. But, we're gonna see. We're gonna try to enjoy the day. Kasi sayang naman. Though nakakapanghinayang kasi ang mahal ng ticket nung Islands of Adventure, pero wala tayong magagawa. Alam mo yun, kesa masyado kang ma-disappoint or whatever, we can always go back. So, ayun. So, I'll update you kung anong plano namin. But, we need to take a bath muna kasi sobrang basang-basa kami. So, ayun. See you later. Guys, so ayun na nga. So sabog kasi super basa kami. So nagdaan muna kami sa Disney shops para mamili ng pang swimming, tsaka yun nga yung sapatos kasi talagang basa talaga yung shoes ni Remar. So right now nagpapagas kami, and right after this we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A to grab some lunch, and then we're gonna find a laundromat kasi hindi talaga sumasagot din yung Airbnb namin kung pwedeng maglaba. Unlike dun sa previous Airbnb na napuntahan namin, pwede kang mag-laundry. Sagot na nila lahat. But this time, parang hindi ata kasi hindi siya nagre-reply. So, and since we don't have cash and we don't have coins, so we need to find the laundromat na pwede yung card. So, ayun. So, search muna. It's almost 1 p.m. It's 12:30 to be exact. 12:30 p.m. So, ayun. But trying to be happy kahit ganun kasi wala tayong magagawa. Hindi natin control ang weather. So, ayun. Hi! Energy low. It's already 3 p.m. Sa wakas, tuyo na ang mga sapatos. Nakapag-dryer na kami. So, ayun. We're heading to our Airbnb just to rest for a few minutes. Then we're gonna head to Sam's Club to get some pizza for a snack, and then go all the way to the Universal Cabana Bay Hotel to swim. And doon na lang din kami siguro magdi-dinner. Right, honey?
Yeah.
It's really raining so hard today, which is, sabi nila, very unusual sa Florida weather. But I guess may bagyo. So, I'm gonna show you guys. Ayan. So, hopefully tomorrow, hindi na talaga siya mag-rain kasi we're going to Disney tomorrow. Tapos park hopper pa kami. So, yun. Boring.
Oo nga, hindi mo na kailangan mag-float ka na lang. Hello. Dito na kami ngayon kina
Madam
Ate
Elma.
Elang Hotel.
Kinata Elang Hotel para mag-swimming. And
In this rainy season. Rainy day.
rainy day, all day. Ito yung Universal, oh. Tsaka kami galing kanina. Hanggang ngayon,
Na
umuulan. Yung buho ko sa bugna.
Inulan.
Inulang araw, pero go-go pa rin. So, ayun. So, mag-swimming na lang kami. Tapos dito na kami magdi-dinner sa loob.